You are going to love the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.